I am gonna get my palm read by Kozu. And this is Kozu. Alright, Kozu? Are you ready? My first palm.
Okay.
My second palm.
Okay, so the palm is your inheritance from your mother and your father. Right hand from your mother, and your left is from your father. So, the first, the shape of your palm. Yeah? Just, the tendency is if you're into something or enthusiastic to something, you're very into it. That's your character. Yeah?
Do you hear that? When I'm into something, I'm really into something when I'm enthused about it.
And this is your heart line. It's very long.
Both of them are heart lines?
Yeah, this is from your father and your mother. It's very long.
My father's one is longer?
Heart is your emotion, what you feel, how you feel. Right? This is very long. So if you love somebody, or if you the person you very care about, right? You love that person very deep. And but this your heart line doesn't go up well. So which means if you like somebody and you're a very giving person, but that person did not care about you well, because he or she or the person doesn't know how you feel. That's the one thing you have to be careful. Yeah? But your both hands and your heart line is very long.
So very emotional?
Yeah, you're giving.
Is that a bad thing or a good thing?
It's if you do that too much, that's a bad thing. And this is your physicality, and this is your health. This is what I don't know how to say in English. This is 生命線, 生命, life. Okay? Your lifeline, a lifeline. This lifeline. It's very long. And this line and your faith line is connected. So your physicality is very strong. This is about 40s and 50s, around that age.
I'm gonna die?
You're not. If you're careful, you're not gonna die.
Until
so this like 40s and 50s maybe.
What, die? What? Success?
You should be careful about your health.
40s and 60s?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
And since your lifeline is very strong, what I mean strong is if you work too hard or you're like moving too much, your physicality is very stronger than regular person. Okay? So you don't get tired easily. But if you're not careful, then you should be careful. You
Exert too much energy, run out of energy.
You have a tendency to be not careful about your health. So you might think like, oh, I'm okay, I'm tough, so I'm like I only sleep 3 hours a day, but I'm okay. And you like this type of lifeline, that person might think that way. So that you should be careful. Your fake line is going up straight, which means you're standing on your own feet. You're very independent. You don't rely on other person. You are very independent. And this line goes up. This is around 60 years old.
60?
60.
What happens there?
Until that age, we're very busy.
Sounds good. Unless I'm making money, then it sounds bad.
Until this age, you have two freight lines. One is here, one is this line, the other one is here. This one comes up.
What are you talking about?
So, every line goes up to your middle finger. It's freight line. So this is freight line.
Oh, and you're talking about this one right here?
Yeah, this one. And this one comes starting here, up to here. The other one starting here up to
and
here.
come up, no, it comes up to here.
Yeah. So this is okay, but until like this section, you have two lines, right? One is here, the other one. So the freight line is your like purpose. I'm going this direction. I'm like doing this, like your focus. So you might be very busy until here because you have two lines. Several headlines. So this one. This is your speed. Like once you think about something, you quickly take an action and very realistic. So if you work or if you do something, very realistic, which means okay, I'll do this, but instead of that, you should pay that amount of money. Kind of line. It's a very you may be very strict. And the other hand, this one line is very long. Sometimes you are very doing things of your own pace. So this line is very important straight line. Okay. But your straight line goes up until here.
What age is that?
This is very old. This is around 90. So, very old. Over 80. But this line is gradually like getting thin. Up to, and this is 55. Around that age, you have very strong purpose. After that, it's getting weak. So after this age on, you might find something else to going for.
Relax.
Yeah, maybe relaxation, maybe take it easy. Maybe, but if you find something new and that you can you're going for, then this line gets longer, or another straight line comes up.
Okay. Do you have any? What about my success? Can you tell about my success from here? Or what age I can expect some good success or something?
How old are you now?
I am 28.
You're 28. You're just getting started. There are several points. This is around 35, and maybe around 35. There's another line comes. 40, about 50 years old.
Success? Well, you said at 50, 55, then I slow down.
Yeah.
And then you said this one I do things at my own space, and in this one I do things speed.
Yeah.
So that means I speed up after 35 to 50. For the next 15 years I speed up from here to here.
What I mean is that if you do something, you take an action, you have a tendency to do it quickly. Right now I'm doing this. Or sometimes you are very slow. This line is very long, but this one doesn't go up well. So you're very your love is very deep, but you don't express your feeling. So there might be a misunderstanding.
So how do you recommend I express myself? Write it down on paper?
If you just say your feeling, that's okay.
I love you. That's enough?
Yeah, if you love the person, then yeah.
Okay.
ちょっと言わない傾向がある。You have the tendency to not express your feeling.
Yeah, yes, I do.
Yeah, you do?
Yeah.
But if so, then there's no problem. But you have a And the other thing is this line is straight, so you're very independent. So you don't want to be depend on other person.
How about family?
So this line is going down. Let's see this. More like your mother's line is very こっちの方がrealistic ですね。This line is going down. Your father is very kind, maybe.
In what way?
Well, if he may be asked by somebody to do something.
So.
So?
Sometimes. It depends if he likes you, but usually. Yes, he'll do things. He'll do it.
Well, the type of person you marry is like this like kind person. What I mean kind is not strict.
Okay, my father is not strict. He's not very strict.
So the type of person you will marry is that kind of person too.
Okay. Can you tell if I will have kids from my hand too?
Yeah, this is kids line.
What, 2?
Yeah.
I'll have 2 children.
You have 2 children?
3.
You have 3.
My sister's children. I'm gonna have 2 kids because of these lines. What about this one?
Yeah, this one is 1, 2. こっちは3だね。1, 2, 3. You have 2. まあ、2 to 3.
I have 2 to 3 right now.
But this is your children.
Maybe. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah. That's about it.
Do you think I will travel and do a lot of things in life?
Travel?
And do a lot of things.
This is traveling line. Or travel?
Travel.
Travel. Yeah, this is traveling line.
So it's very long.
Going there, going there.
And does my hand speak of greatness? Will I be a great individual?
Great individual.
Yeah, like a leader, something like that.
So, ne. If you have this line up to going up, so there will be doing the detail thing. 細かいことするのは得意だね。
I understood that Japanese. Which line? This line?
Yeah, this line. だけど結構 if you see people's character or you look at the very detail. Sometimes if that's too much, then that's not good thing. But if you are doing the detail thing, you're very good at it.
Okay. What's this line right here? This small line.
That's marriage line.
What about it?
You have a very strong marriage line. She's around 35.
I'm gonna get married.
ということは旧歯科生の人ですね。そうでございます。さすが。これね、火のエネルギーだ。
これはすごくいい。This line is very good.
What's that?
And successful. This is your effort. This is like fortune. Some other people brings you.
So other people will bring me good fortune?
そう。人気なのよ。
Saying that I'm very popular and my popularity will bring me good fortune. Where did you learn to read palms? Where did you learn to do this, to read palms?
Read palms?
Yeah, palm. Where did you learn how to read palms?
Different places.
How long have you been reading palms?
More than 15 years.
Well, good experience. And what's your name again? I forgot. Kozu? Is there anything else I need to know, Kozu?
Yeah, maybe that's about it.
Interesting. Let me see your palm, Kozu. Tell me something about your palm. Tell me something about yours. Looks like you have the money sign M.
This M?
Yeah. Yeah, M money sign.
そうだね。これはフェイトラインですね。
Very long.
Goes up here. And my fate line
With your effort line.
was before this line comes up only here.
Really?
Yeah, gets longer.